Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy LinkedIn profile link. So first of all, just open up the LinkedIn application on your mobile and then tap on profile icon on the left corner. Then tap on this view profile. You have to click on these three dots next to add section. This will bring you these four options: share profile via message, share profile via contact info, and about this profile. You can directly share your profile by using this share profile via message, or you can tap share via, but we are going to tap on this contact info. You will find your LinkedIn URL under your profile. Tap on this your profile. This will bring up these options: copy, open, share with, or cancel. To copy your LinkedIn profile link, tap on copy, or you can paste it anywhere, or you can use this share with also. Choose one from the sharing options and then you can send your LinkedIn profile link. So that's it for this video. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.